Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Prime a canvas with gesso and let it dry for at least 2 hours. Tape edges for a clean border if desired. Lay out tubes of ultramarine blue, Payne's gray, burnt umber, and titanium white. Mix them in a 3-2-1-1 ratio for a versatile dark base. Add small increments of titanium white to create midtones. Keep a limited palette to maintain color harmony and mood. Use a palette knife to test values before loading brushes for painting. Sketch cloud masses lightly with a charcoal pencil to mark major shapes. Define the horizon and place the heaviest cloud mass first. Block in dark values using the mixed base and a 1/2-inch flat brush. Work quickly to keep edges soft and paint wet for blending. Reserve about 25% of the canvas for highlights and rim light around cloud tops. Step back every 10 minutes to judge value contrast and overall composition as you refine shapes. Soften edges with a dry hash 6-round brush using feathered 6 to 8 stroke passes. Blend transitions from dark core to lighter halo with horizontal and circular motions. Add cool highlights by mixing 10% titanium white into ultramarine blue for subtle, cold edges. Use a glazing medium at about 10% to deepen shadows without obscuring texture. Introduce occasional warm tones with a touch of burnt umber at a 5% mix to suggest light filter.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.